Power line communication, or PLC, is a method that allows data to be transmitted across the same electrical wires used for delivering power. By utilizing existing infrastructure, PLC removes the necessity for installing separate network cables, making it a practical solution for many environments. The technology works by sending data signals at different frequencies than those used for standard electrical power. Through a process called frequency division multiplexing, PLC ensures that data and power signals do not interfere with each other. This separation enables reliable communication while maintaining the primary function of the electrical wiring. As a result, PLC can support various applications, from home networking to industrial automation, without significant changes to existing systems. Power line communication, or PLC, is categorized into two primary types: narrowband and broadband. Narrowband. PLC operates at lower frequencies, typically below 500 kHz, and is designed for applications that require modest data rates, such as smart grid management and remote metering. In contrast, broadband PLC utilizes higher frequencies, often ranging from 2 MHz to 86 MHz, enabling high-speed data transmission suitable for in-home networking and internet access. Key standards have been developed to support these technologies, including G3 PLC for robust smart grid communication, HomePlug AV for home networking, and G.HN, which offers a unified approach for networking over various media. Each standard addresses specific needs, ensuring reliable and efficient data exchange across different environments. Power line communication, or PLC, offers several notable advantages. By utilizing existing electrical wiring, it eliminates the need for additional cabling, making it a cost-effective solution for many environments. PLC is particularly well-suited for stationary devices, providing stable and reliable connections. Despite these benefits, PLC faces several challenges. Electrical noise and signal attenuation can disrupt data transmission, affecting overall performance. Additionally, the lack of universal standards and potential security vulnerabilities present obstacles to widespread adoption and coverage. Power line communication, or PLC, has seen significant advancements in its standards over the years. Notably, protocols such as HomePlug, G.HN, and IEEE 1901 have played a crucial role in enhancing interoperability and security across various devices and networks. As a result, PLC technology is now a common choice for smart home networking, enabling seamless connectivity between appliances and systems. Utilities also rely on PLC for efficient metering and monitoring, while electric vehicle charging stations benefit from its robust data transmission capabilities. In building management, PLC supports integrated control of lighting, HVAC, and security systems, demonstrating its versatility and reliability in modern infrastructure. Looking to the future, power line communication, or PLC, is poised to become increasingly important in the expansion of the Internet of Things, smart energy management, and hybrid network infrastructures. Its capacity to deliver dependable communication for devices located at the edge of the power grid makes it a valuable asset for modern energy systems. By seamlessly integrating with wireless technologies, PLC helps create robust and flexible networks that can adapt to evolving demands. As these sectors continue to grow, PLC's versatility and reliability will ensure it remains a foundational technology in connecting and managing devices across diverse environments.